Happy Sunday. Yeah. Sunday. We're going for a walk in the neighborhood. They got some wood thing around here that I want to get. I think they leave it out so if people want it, because nobody's gonna leave out, you know, material they're using on people's house to the element, and it's been out there for about a month. Maybe about that. So it's not even longer. I'm gonna go help myself to it because they moved the trailer, and I noticed they didn't trash it or anything. They just left it there. So I needed to do this little windowsill thingy. I'm gonna put it on all because we don't have any of that. So I'm gonna go, and it's right over there. Like you can see it from our thing. So we're gonna go help ourselves to that. And yeah. You wanna go? You wanna go for a walk? You wanna get in your stroller? Yeah? You excited? No, I gotta get the foot part because it's cold. So I gotta put that in there so you can go for a walk, okay? Let's show them your boots and your sock. Show them your boot and your sock. No, don't undo it. Don't undo it. Just show them. Ooh, that's pretty. I like your sock. I like your sock. Yeah. We need that, okay? Hubby is out in his garage. He's doing something. He wanted to work on something, but I don't know what he's doing. What are you guys doing out here? Who's cleaning the garage? You guys or Daddy? Oh my gosh, guys, my Christmas tree for the front of the house, we had a really bad windstorm there today, and it blew over, and the bulb, the light on it, they blew. So only a few worked. So it's now in here. What are you doing, honey? What are you doing? Is that the generator? Yeah. You gonna run it? Are you gonna run it? Okay. I'm gonna go back inside. Oh yeah, you can't run the generator. They wanting to fix something. He doesn't even know what he's fixing. Maddie's taking a nap right now. I should be, what are you doing, Jojo? Jordan is over there fixing the front room, the front closet and stuff. I need to clean up this house. I'm always saying that, but I'm gonna go watch me some YouTube videos. I'm in my bathroom. Welcome to my bathroom. So the story I was going to tell you guys is that he went out of town, and he went with, it was just him from his branch, but several guys from other state went, and they all cheated on their wife. Like, you know, they had threesomes and all kind of foolishness, and then the wives found out about it because you know how you have Apple and you have the cloud and stuff, and you do anything, it gets stored to the cloud and stuff. So I guess he called the girl, and she saw the call and stuff. So that's what happened. But it didn't cross my mind at all whatsoever that, you know, my husband is out of town and he could cheat on me if he wanted to. But I think we're like past that stage in our relationship where since the infidelity when he was 20, he was 20 years old when that first, the first infidelity, well, it was the only infidelity that I know of that took place. So it's been years. I want to say it's been 11 years because Destiny is 10 and it happened before she was born. So it's been 11 years of building trust. And it took some while to gain trust back in our relationship. So I don't think it's something he would ruin, you know, just for, you know, a booty call or something like that. But at the same time, it never crossed my mind. So that in itself tells me that the trust that I have in my husband is back. Like, it didn't even cross my mind at all. Because one night I called him and he didn't pick up the phone, and I didn't automatically go to, oh, he's cheating on me. I was like, he's probably tired and he fell asleep, because that's what he does when he's here. If he's tired, he will fall asleep watching the movie. So I was like, he probably fell asleep, and I fell asleep. I didn't stay up and, you know, try to check something or go online and check his phone records and stuff to see what he's up to. No. So it didn't cross my mind until he came home and was talking about it. And then, you know, he was telling me that, you know, the guy got caught cheating, and the wife found out about it. And I was like, oh my gosh, that is so stupid. See my Christmas decoration up there? I was like, that is so stupid. You go somewhere, you know, to better your family's, you know, situation financially, and you turn out, you know, cheating, and one of them didn't wear protection. And I'm like, that is disgusting. Like, disgusting. Not only do you have to worry about sexually transmitted disease, now you have to worry about a potential child, you know, being born to some unknown woman, you know. Ugh. I can't imagine trying to repair that kind of relationship. But yeah, that's what it was. But it wasn't until he came back and told me about it that I was kind of like second guessing myself, but I didn't make a big deal about it. I was like, I don't know. Did you? But I didn't bring it to him. I was just in my head. And I think I was in my head for a good 2 minutes. And then I would just like snap out of it. I'm like, that's not my husband. Because if you can't trust someone, there's no point in being with them. And there's no point in, you know, accusing them of cheating, because you don't know it, whether or not they cheated. You know what I mean? So it makes no sense to create unnecessary drama and stuff until you have proof. Once you have proof, you can figure out what it is that you're going to do about the relationship. Whether or not you're going to stay in the relationship, or whether or not you're going to leave and call it quits. You know what I mean? But there's no sense in staying with someone that's going to cheat on you over and over and over and over again. There's no point. I mean, I'm not going to say it's okay to cheat, because it's never okay to cheat on anyone. But if it does happen and you both agree that you're going to stay in the relationship and work it out, then it should be a mutual thing. It can't be one person staying and fixing, because another person is just going to keep doing what they want to do, whether or not you like it. You can't change another person. You can only change you. And if you choose to stay with a man that's going to constantly cheat on you and don't value your relationship and don't value you as a person, then it's not going to work out. It's not going to work out. But in my situation, my husband and I both decided that we were going to work on the relationship, and we're going to work at, you know, making our marriage work. And that's how we were able to save our marriage. And we've been married 12 years this past November. So that's the little story I wanted to tell you guys. I'll see you guys in a little bit. Hi, husband.
Yeah, sure.
How are you? I'm about to heat up my coffee. It's 4 o'clock. It's 4 o'clock. And I'm just putting my coffee back in the microwave, cause I'm about to clean the house for tomorrow, Monday, and try to bake some cookies. Hey, Daddy.
You're baking cookies?
Oh, I said that already. I have to do the dough. Yes, honey. Get a little snap bag and just put the rubber bands in there. Here, get this thingy right here. Hey, girl. Daddy using you?
No,
is Daddy using her?
No.
Why is she outside with no shoe?
No, I had shoes.
Oh, please put shoe.
I had shoes on.
You had shoes on?
Yeah.
Let me feel your sock. Are you lying to me?
Nope.
Let me feel them. Why do they feel wet?
What?
Here, buddy.
Because,
oh, you got it? Okay. So, I have to clean up at the house and get ready for Monday. Hi, Mama.
Hello.
You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy when the skies are gray. What's that? Is that an airplane? You never know just how much I love you. You.
My sunshine away.
What? It's when the coffee hits, it just goes.
Mommy, may I have one?
After you haven't cleaned up the house.
I'm gonna have one.
Put that in the pantry. There's one slice of bread there. Who wants it? Put that in the pantry. That's Daddy's. Junk drawers. That's Daddy's phone.
First one.
I'm gonna start it.
Excuse me. Oh, it's already started. Okay.
Gift bags in the basement.
What's about time?
Good afternoon, Rob.
Good afternoon.
What did you cook?
Forgot what I was doing. Oh, cheese. Grated cheese.
You cooked cheese?
No.
So we have some burnt.
Not burnt. They're not actual burnt like grandma.
You shouldn't let Rob in the kitchen. You shouldn't let Rob in the kitchen.
I told him
This is a whole feast.
in that pot it looks like a lasagna.
Hi, Jordan.
Just being greedy.
Oh, show them your eyelashes.
Once upon a time, not long ago, I was
Look at them eyelashes.
They're too long. No, he plucks them. He plucks them.
He plucks them? Don't pluck out your eyelashes.
He says plucking the eyebrows. I'm like, what are you doing?
No, not his eyelashes.
That's
Let me see yours. They're not so long. Let me see yours.
He's like plucking his eyebrows.
They're not as long as. You gonna do that? You gonna do the TikToks, huh?
Once upon a time, not long ago, I was a what? A student, and I'm about to do my homework.
Oh no, I'm supposed to say what? Do it. What? You're supposed to say it. Go.
Once upon a time, not long ago, I was
You was a what?
a student, and I'm about to do my homework.
You always buy the food, girl. You always buy the food. Every time her father cooks, she's always by the food. Always. You always find Destiny by the food whenever her father is cooking. She never leaves the kitchen. She's a foodie just like her dad. They go together. Hand in hand. You see him, you see her. You realize you gave them enough portion to feed them for 2 days? They're gonna be fat by the time you go back to work.
What? I can change it.
So I'm done cleaning the house. Hubby cooked dinner because he's just amazing. And Maddie's up from her little nap. I don't know if I showed you guys. You always camera ready, girl. What are you eating? You don't have to tilt your head. What are you eating? What are you eating? Show us what you're eating. Is that noodle? Noodle? Say noodle. Say noodle. Is it good? Yeah? Yeah, enjoy. This is dinner. It looks so good. It's just noodle. This is. It was on the counter.
Why do you keep walking like that?
Do you have to pee-pee? You sure? So it's just noodle and ground beef and meat sauce. with cheese.
Yeah, I can't tell you my recipe.
And then I don't want to know your recipe. Like it's not like it's a family. I don't want your recipe. This is not even a recipe. This is what's left at the bottom of the freezer.
Are you serious right now?
So yeah, hubby cooked. House is clean and ready for tomorrow, which I'm going to do our Christmas house tour. If the house can stay clean. If not, then it gotta be pushed back to Tuesday. And then you guys will see this video on tomorrow, which today's Sunday. So if I don't get the house in order to do the tour, then the house tour will be up on Tuesday. And then you will see this vlog, Sunday's vlog on Monday. I'm gonna go eat. I think I have more than enough footage for the day. And I'm gonna go hang out with my my family before it's bedtime. We have 2 hours before it's bedtime. And hubby cooked. You ever seen Christmas food where it's just saucy? You just drip it, but it looks delicious. Anyways guys, thank you guys so much for hanging out with us. And I will see you guys on Tuesday. Bye guys.